The 8th ranked product is Chefman 1.7 liter electric glass tea kettle. Fast hot water boiler. One touch operation. Boils 7 cups. Swivel base and cordless pouring. Auto shut off. Review score 4.6. Review count 6,627 ratings. Price $21.77. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 7th ranked product is Comfy electric kettle. 1.7 L hot water boiler. 1500 W fast boil. Glass electric tea kettle with LED indicator. Auto shut off and boil dry protection. BPA free. Review score 4.6. Review count 14,456 ratings. Price $17.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 6th ranked product is Hamilton Beach glass electric tea kettle. Water boiler and heater. 1 liter. 1500 watts for fast. BPA free. Cordless serving. Auto shut off and boil dry protection. Soft blue LED. 40,930. Review score 4.6. Review count 22,423 ratings. Price $24.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 5th ranked product is Kasori electric kettle. No plastic filter and spout. Stainless steel inner lid. Tea kettle and hot water boiler for coffee and tea. Water heater and teapot. Automatic shutoff. Black. 1.7 L1500W. Review score 4.6. Review count 43,575 ratings. Price $27.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 4th ranked product is Amazon Basics glass carafe electric hot water kettle. 1.1 quarts. 1.0 L. 1500 W. BPA free. Glass and steel. Review score 4.6. Review count 79,082 ratings. Price $24.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 3rd ranked product is Nostalgia Retro Stainless Steel Electric Tea and Water Kettle. 1.7 liters. Auto shut off and boil dry protection. Water level indicator window. Aqua. Review score 4.7. Review count 2,458 ratings. Price $46.38. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 2nd ranked product is Kasori electric gooseneck kettle with 5 temperature control presets. Pour over kettle for coffee and tea. Hot water boiler. 100% stainless steel inner lid and bottom. 1200 with 0.8 L. Review score 4.7. Review count 18,051 ratings. Price $69.99. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info. The 1st ranked product is Kasori Speed Boil Electric Tea Kettle. 1.7 L hot water kettle. BPA free. 1500 W auto shut off and boil dry protection. LED indicator inner lid and bottom. Transparent. Review score 4.7. Review count 19,440 ratings. Price $38.43. Customers like. No info. Customers dislike. No info.